Hello, minasan, konnichiwa. Today I will discuss about Japanese alphabet. In Japanese there are mainly there are three alphabets. The first one is Hiragana, second one is Katakana, and the third one is Kanji. So, and another one is Romaji. Romaji means it's like English alphabet. The Japanese people sometimes use it. So it is very important for memorize the hiragana, katakana, and kanji reading. So let's today I will discuss about hiragana. So let's see. In hiragana there are 46 alphabets. So let's learn together. So this is so this one is hiragana and this one is Romaji. E, E. U. This is not U. This is U. E, U. And then A. E, U, A. And last one is O. E, U, A, O. So in Japanese alphabet, these 5 alphabets are called vowel. Ka. This called Ka. Then Ki. This called K. Ka, Ki. This called Ku. Ka, Ki, Ku. And then K. The last one is Ko. So make sure there is enough space over here. If you write like this, so this is not the ko, it will be mistake. So please care about it. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. So this is called sa. And then she. This is not si, it is she. Sa, she. And then su. And then se. And the last one is so. So please care about it. Don't write like this. It's like English alphabet X. So please care about it, and you should write like it. It's called so. So sa, she, su, se, so. It is called ta. And then chi. It seems like 5, right? In English we write 5 like this, so it's similar to 5, right? So this is chi. And then tsu. So this is very critical pronunciation. Please practice it more and more. Tsu. And then te. And the last one is to. Ta, chi, tsu, te, to. Ta, chi, tsu, te, to. The next one is na. na. This is called ni. Please care about this alphabet. If you write like this, it's totally mistake. So when you write this, make sure there is enough space over there. Okay, so this is called ni. And then this is also critical alphabet. So this called is nu. Nu. And then ne. And the last one is no. So the no are looks like 9, right? But not 9. It's called no. No. And the ne is looks like nu, right? So please care about these two alphabets. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. And then it is called ha. Ha. And then he. This is not hi, hi. It is called he. He. So these alphabets are same as you, right? Just you need to draw this like how to say, it's a stroke. Okay, so this is called ha. Sorry, he, ha, he. And then, so how to say it? This is not who. This is called poo. Poo, poo, F-U, poo, ha, he, poo. And then how to say? Not he. It is called he. He. So care about these two alphabets. This is katakana he and this is hiragana he. And the last one is ho. Ho. So ha and ho similar. So please care about this two alphabet. Ha, the upper side there is no this is stroke, only like this, and ho there is a stroke the upper side. So please care about these two alphabet. Ha, he, pu, he, ho. Ha, he, pu, he, ho. And then this is called ma. Ma. In Bengali, ma means mother. And then mi, ma, mi, ma, mi. And then mu, mu. And then, so how to say? This is not me. It is called me. Me. In Japanese, me means I. I. So ma, mi, mu, me. And the last one is mo. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. So the next one is, this is called ya. Ya, ya, ya. So this is called ya. And then you. It's similar to you. You. Similar to you, but not you. You. And the last one is yo, yo, ya, you, yo, ya, you, yo. So the next alphabet is, this is called ra, 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 and then ri, ra, ri, ru. It's like 3, right? In English we write 3 like this. It's similar, but in ru there is like maru, like circle here, ru. And this is called re. So we wrote this alphabet. What is this? This is ne. This is ne. So please careful these two alphabet. In ne there is like how to say this sign, but in re there is no this sign. Okay, so please care about these two alphabet. And the last one is ro. So ru and ro are looks like same, but in ru there is like a circle, but in ro there is no circle. It's looks like totally it's 3 in English. So this is called ro. Ra, ri, ru, re, ro. Ra, ri, ru, re, ro. And now we are going to learn the last 3 Japanese alphabets. Last 3. How to say? Wa, 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 wa. And this is called o, o. So in first 5 alphabets we learned o like this, right? But this reading only o, o, and this reading w, o, o. Pronunciations totally similar, but their uses is different. We learn about this later when we will learn grammar and vocabulary. Then I will clear this later. So, and the last one is so this all about hiragana. So everyone please share my video more and more if the Japanese learners find my channel, and everyone please follow and like my page. Bye bye.